this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice Azure gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5 liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, you got tie downs for your bed, which is pretty handy, mud flaps on the rear and front with some nice black trim along this vehicle, blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we do get the license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seem to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, we got a cargo cubby, we got a carpet interior as well, 2 USB-Cs with a little hook to hold things, as well as you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space with storage underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We got plenty of door space up front, lights, gas cap, and trailer brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 2.4 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, drive modes, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we do got lane centering and your digital speedometer, but we do get My View, Trip and Fuel, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, traction, storage, and more storage here with your engine start-stop, 12-volt, and some outlets. In your center console here, you do get tons of storage as well, which is pretty handy. We got your volume, playback like forward, comm screen, hazards, max temp, and auto hold. And above me, we got our features for our little sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and you do get storage on the dash as well. Taking a look at our main screen here, and our home screen, we do get our audio, phone, settings, features, and that with your climate controls. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, your settings, pretty easy to navigate as well, and your features of the vehicle, towing, owner's manual, driving assist, and any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB62872, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.